Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need immediate, effective actions. Start now. Sit upright and splash cool water on your face to jolt your nervous system. This works because cold stimulates alertness. Once done, open a window or step outside to get fresh air. Oxygen and slight temperature change sharpen focus. Make sure to drink 200-300 ml cool water or 1 cup of green tea for mild caffeine plus hydration, which restores blood volume and neurotransmitter function. Move on while you feel the change. Once you're awake, sustain alertness through physical and metabolic steps. Start 2-4 minutes of dynamic stretches or a brisk walk. Movement increases heart rate and cerebral blood flow, which keeps you sharp. Next, expose yourself to bright light for 5-10 minutes. Light suppresses sleep hormones and reinforces wake signals. Finally, eat a 150-200 kcal snack combining protein and carbs, such as yogurt with fruit, because steady glucose plus amino acids supports cognitive speed and reduces mid-task fatigue. To finish, lock in focus with 20-25-minute work blocks and short breaks. This capitalizes on renewed alertness and prevents crashes. Then, if drowsiness continues, take a timed 15-20-minute power nap. Brief sleep restores alertness without deep sleep inertia. Make sure to maintain a long-term routine. Aim for 7-9 hours nightly and consistent bed/wake times to prevent repeat episodes. If none of this helps, check for underlying causes like medication effects or sleep disorders and consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.